Hi and welcome back. Look who is here with us, Pavna ma'am.
Hi
Welcome.
Shilpi. Yeah, thank you so much.
मैम जैसे आप आते हैं ना एकदम लाइट अप हो जाता है सारा एनवायरनमेंट कॉफी की
Oh,
तरह. Cheers.
yeah, cheers, cheers. Yeah, thanks for the coffee. Oh, yeah.
So, ma'am, in this episode we are going to just separate some myths and facts. ठीक है? Are we ready? चलिए.
Yes.
Let's go. So, ma'am, first myth is skipping breakfast causes PCOS.
No, not related at all.
Okay. So you can't get pregnant during your periods.
ड्यूरिंग योर पीरियड्स प्रेगनेंसी होने का चांसेस नहीं है बट पीरियड्स एंड होने के द लास्ट डे और द अदर नेक्स्ट डे इंटरकोर्स होने के बाद प्रेगनेंसी का पॉसिबिलिटीज है.
Okay. So periods pain are normal.
Yes, mild to moderate pain is definitely normal, but if the pain is severe or severity is more intense pain, she has to get investigated.
Okay. So PCOS only affects overweight women.
It's not overweight women always because PCOS can come even in lean patients.
A woman must have ovarian cyst to have PCOS.
Yes, that is true. Ovarian cyst है तो ही it is called PCOS, but it's just not polycystic ovarian syndrome. It's only a scan finding, but it is something much bigger. PCOS these days it is called PMOS, जहाँ पे poly endocrine metabolic ovarian syndrome. So ovary का भी role है, and along with that there is metabolic disorders and endocrine abnormalities, यानी hormone imbalance.
Okay. So perimenopause starts only after 45 years.
It's not always after 45 years. Yes, menopause happens at 50 years. Any age 2 years plus or minus perimenopause start हो जाएगा. But there are also instances where the menopause या फिर perimenopause starts way too early, even at the age of 30-32.
Okay. So Pamna ma'am, we have some more search questions as well. Can we do that also?
Yes.
Okay. So first question is, ma'am, why is my periods late but I'm not pregnant?
Okay, see, periods once in 21 days to 35 days के बीच में आना normal है. But if the periods are getting delayed, she has to get investigated. That could be related to any hormones या फिर metabolic. It can be even pregnancy also. अगर periods delay हो रहा है तो we have to rule out pregnancy.
Right. It could be a good news.
Yeah.
Okay. So how do I know if my hormones are imbalanced?
Hormones as in सिर्फ periods वाला hormones है तो it will be related to only the periods. Okay. Periods delay होना, early होना, they're all related to periods. But also there can be other hormones which can be seen like patient putting on weight, hirsutism, her insulin levels abnormal, yani she's becoming diabetic. Also there are hormones like cortisol which is secreted in the brain. सारे abnormal hormones detect करना चाहिए, and then we have to work towards PMOS and treatment of that.
So मैम diabetic patients जो होते हैं उन girls के लिए, इन women's के लिए pregnant होना थोड़ा difficult होता है?
देखो, it's just not directly diabetics, but when the diabetic patients become pregnant, comes under high risk pregnancy. And ऐसा नहीं है कि diabetics वाले pregnant नहीं होंगे. They will get pregnant, but they're already termed high risk.
But थोड़ा सा precaution लेना
Yeah,
पड़ेगा.
definitely.
That 9 months. Okay.
Yes.
This is very common, ma'am. Why is my hair falling so much these days?
There are multiple reasons for that. One of it can be even stress.
Stress, weather.
Yes, hormones, hygiene. Mainly the weather in North India is so bad. Yes.
Okay, so you have to take a test and consult your gynae for that. Why can't I lose my belly fat?
That depends on what is the cause. It all depends on your lifestyle also. And healthy workout या फिर any kind of exercise. So it all depends on what is your. It's mainly the lifestyle modification, the lifestyle and the diet. ठीक है? These two come hand in hand to lose weight. Belly fat is just not related to PMOS या फिर PCOS. There can be other reasons too.
So मैम एक मेरा पर्सनल क्वेश्चन था कि कुछ गर्ल्स कुछ विमेंस belly fat घटाने के लिए they go for some random मेडिकेशंस और मतलब एक स्केड्यूल बना देते हैं आपको ये खाना है ये खाना है ये खाना है, तो मैम वो कितना सेफ है?
देखो, हेल्दी डाइट लेना इज अ गुड थिंग, बट उसके साथ सी यू जस्ट कांट बी ईटिंग हेल्दी डाइट एंड लूज वेट. यू लूज इवन प्रोटीन, देयर विल बी मसल लॉस. सो हेल्दी डाइट के साथ फिजिकली वर्क करना यानी द वर्कआउट, द एक्सरसाइज इज आल्सो इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट. दे गो हैंड इन हैंड.
And what about those medications जो ऐसे promote करती है कि you can lose a weight in
Yeah, there are
XYZ
so many
minutes?
injectables which has come now to lose weight. जैसे कि there are so many film stars losing weight with that. But along with that, we have side effects too. And also, it's just not taking injections and eating whatever you want. There has to be other few things which has to be followed along with injections.
So आपका food and your exercise.
Yes, and
go hand in
medications. Yes.
Okay. So what are the first signs of perimenopause?
Perimenopause, it can be delayed cycle. That would be the first symptoms. जैसे कि periods once in 2 months या 3 months होना. Sometimes perimenopause can be so silent that periods regular होते होते एकदम से रुक जाएगा. That's it.
So ma'am, आपने मुझे बताया 40-45 की एज
Yes.
में perimenopause start हो जाता है.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So drink cinnamon water to cure PCOS.
It basically comes under antioxidant. No, not recommended. It's not ऐसा नहीं कि it's not recommended. It's not the only way to do that.
Okay.
Many things can be tried.
So you don't need a gynecologist if your periods come every month.
Yes, only that's true actually. If the cycles are regular, she doesn't have to meet her gynae. But if there is any other problem, that's when she needs gynae.
Okay.
वैसे teenage होने के बाद you should have a regular gynae checkups because you know cervical cancer vaccination, that is HPV vaccine, we start giving after 9 years.
Okay.
So gynae का appointment तब से होना है 9 years से.
So pregnancy after 35 is impossible.
It is definitely possible, but वैसे fertility rate gradually declines, but 35 के बाद pregnancy होना definitely possible.
And ma'am also told me कि 25 and 30 की age में is a good
it's
time.
an ideal
period
time,
for-
yes.
Ideal time to get pregnant. So last one is ma'am, all hormonal issues can be fixed with supplements.
Not really supplements, of course. Hormone supplements we give to regulate that, but वो lifelong तो नहीं चलेगा. दवाई सारा magic नहीं करता है. So you have to put your efforts too to follow your doctor's advice.
Okay, so one thing before ending this episode, I would like to just mention, don't self-medicate. हर body different है, हर disease different है. किसी ने कुछ XYZ लिया है ना, आप भी उसको implement कर लेंगे. That's not how it should be, right, ma'am?
Yeah, very true. Each body is different. They act differently.
Right. So अपने गायनी से पहले मिलिए and उसके बाद जो वो कहें आपको वो implement करना चाहिए, right, ma'am?
Yes, true.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.